I'm already a huge fan of the Lexus GX. I've spent time with the Autotrader model, and I'd absolutely recommend these to folks who like a nice vehicle that can also have fun playing in the dirt, climbing mountains, and heading off in search of great camping spots. But Lexus just revealed a one-off version that's even more near and dear to my heart because I could use it to make homemade pizza, which is something I love about as much as I love cars. It's called the Monogram GX, and no, it's not stealing naming ideas from Infiniti, which created a monograph concept. The reason behind the Monogram name here is that Lexus has teamed up with Monogram Appliances. Never heard of them? Me neither, which means we're both not wealthy enough because Monogram makes fancy and expensive ovens, ranges, fridges, microwaves, wine coolers, dishwashers, and even a heated ice press for those of you who need that ball of ice in your drink. Why the team up here? Lexus likes to show off its vehicles at the Food and Wine Classic in Aspen, Colorado. Makes sense since that's an event for fancy people, and a large number of fancy people like to drive Lexus vehicles. Some of them probably have Monogram appliances too. What this GX has, though, is awesome. Open the rear doors, and staring right back at you, you'll find a 30-inch Smart Flush Hearth oven. It's electric but designed to simulate the performance of a wood-fired brick oven. As someone who likes making their own pizza, that last sentence is downright magical to my ears. There's not just an oven though. This GX also gets that fancy heated ice press I mentioned before. It has exterior wine and bourbon storage using pressure-fitted cutouts on the rear side panels. You have 2 chilling stations, a plating station, and an entire wine and spirits bar. Those rear side panels are amazing, by the way, because they're essentially Emu Wings that open to a beautifully crafted storage station. I even love that this has Emu Wings, which is the nickname for glass or a panel that opens like that. It's something I'm planning to install on my own off-road rig at some point, but they're not cheap. And of course, no one makes them for a 1991 Montero. Now, has all of this compromised the off-road ability of the GX? Possibly, but I'd love to find out just how secure all of the storage really is by tackling a fire road that leads to a wonderful campsite, preferably with a good mountain or water view. I'm not looking to run Baja or take it off jumps, but I do think Lexus should let me head up into the trails around Big Bear or somewhere off the 395, set up camp, and get to work making adventure pizza. I'd have my doughs chilling in the chilling stations, my wine ready to go for once we park and set up camp, and that oven would blow the minds of any other campers we encounter. This is obviously a one-off machine built as a marketing ploy for the Food and Wine Classic, but this is the type of marketing that works on me, and I need to find a way to borrow this thing for a weekend.